Hello and welcome. Welcome to the world of broccoli farming, where dedication meets nature to produce one of the healthiest vegetables on the planet. Today, I'll take you through the growing of broccoli from seed to harvest. I know that over the years, you have either eaten or seen broccoli. There are 20 types of broccoli. Broccoli can be prepared by steaming to preserve their nutrition, then maybe frying to your taste. It all starts with the seeds. Broccoli seeds are small but packed with potential. They are typically sown in seed trays or directly in the field depending on the climate and the farmer's preference. The seeds are sown a 1/4 inch in depth in nutrient-rich soils. Keep the soils moist but not waterlogged, and within 7 to 10 days you will see them sprouting. Once the seedlings have sprouted, the seedlings are carefully nurtured to help them grow strong and healthy before being transplanted. During this time, the temperatures should be between 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and let the seedlings stay in the nursery for 4 to 6 weeks before transplanting. Broccoli plants need regular care, which includes watering, weeding, and monitoring for pests. Broccoli is susceptible to pests like aphids and caterpillars, so keep a close eye and treat the plants as needed. After 3 to 4 months, broccoli is ready for harvest. The heads should be firm and tight with a rich green color. Harvesting is done in the morning when the heads are crisp and full of flavor. It is also important to cut the heads at the right time before they start to flower. Once harvested, weigh and package for the market. Freshness is key, so we ensure that the broccoli reaches the customer as quickly as possible. Farmers take pride in delivering fresh, healthy broccoli to their customers. Broccoli prefers cooler weather, making early spring or late summer the ideal times for planting. Broccoli is a sun-loving plant, so choose a location that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. The soil should be well drained and rich in organic matter with a slightly acidic pH. Remember, when eating broccoli, you're not just enjoying a delicious vegetable, but you're supporting a farmer's hard work and commitment to sustainable agriculture. So keep liking, commenting, sharing this content, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel to learn more. See you in my next video. Bye!